Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add user in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a user here in Salesforce is a straightforward process, which is essential for enabling team members to access and utilize the platform's functionalities, whether for sales, service, or other business processes. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and click the setup. Now in the quick find on the left side, I want you to type in user. Click that. Once you are here, all you have to do is click the new user option here, or the simple button, and you have to put in all of the information that's needed. For example, the first name, last name, middle name, suffix, alias, email, username, nickname, and a lot more. So I'm going to put in some information here and wait for it. Now from here, all I have to do is hover down below. You can put in the title of the company. That's going to be content creator. All right, so you can put in the role, for example, the user license. Is it going to be for chatter external, chatter free, identity, Salesforce? You can put in the profile. Is it going to be a contract manager, end user, executive, sponsor, marketing user, read only, solution manager? Or for now, let's choose the standard user. Make sure that this is going to be active so that you will be able to use it or add a new user with no problems at all. You can put in marketing user, offline user, for as long as you want. You can put in the phone number, okay, the street address, the local settings. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. Now, if you want to save and create a new one, all you have to do is click on save and new, all right? After saving, the new user will receive an email with login instructions and a temporary password. And if you opted for automatic password generation, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.